Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add clickable link to your Threads app account. So guys, to get to know it, make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you tap on your Threads app to open it. So guys, once your Threads app opens up, then you tap on your Threads profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on edit profile. You can see it there. Tap on it. So guys, this is where you actually do the magic. You can see here is your profile. You can see the third option where it is written add link. This is where you're going to add a clickable link. So let me go ahead to tap on it. So guys, let me add the link to my YouTube channel, or let me go over to my YouTube channel to copy the link of my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm in my YouTube channel now. Let me go over to my YouTube profile, then let me tap on your channel, then let me go over to my about page, then I scroll downwards. Okay, so guys, you can see here is my YouTube channel URL. So let me copy it. So let me go over to my Threads app. So guys, what I will do now, I will paste it where it is written add link. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead to paste it. So guys, as you can see, I've pasted the link to my YouTube channel. Then you tap on good. You can see it at the top right corner. Then you tap on done. You can see it at the top right corner. So guys, as you can see, we've added a clickable link to our Threads app bio. You can see it. So guys, if anyone comes to this my Threads profile right now and taps on this YouTube link, they'll be directed to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's test it out. So let me tap on the YouTube link. Wow guys, as you can see, it's loading. It's directing us to YouTube. Wow guys, wow, this is so amazing. Guys, you can see this is our YouTube channel. This is so amazing. So guys, this is how you actually add a clickable link to your Threads profile or your Threads bio. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.